Hello and welcome back. So in this video we're going to install and configure the Backblaze B2 plugin. This enables you to use Backblaze B2 to store your videos rather than doing it on your own server. This currently, though, does not work with the Beta HLS video plugin, so just bear that in mind. But it's a very, cheap and easy option to use to host your videos. So let's just go into our plugin area. Upload a plugin, and again I'm going to drag and drop. So let's just find this plugin here, and this is it here. It's not a mistake, it's called Backblaze in here. So let's just upload this, and that's done. So now I should be able to come in here and switch it on, and then we're going to need to configure it. So you need to get some details from your account. So let's go in here, and we're looking at keys. Now, some of this information you only ever see once, but let me give you this as an example, albeit the key I won't be able to show you. But just watch the video about how to do that inside of Backblaze. So key ID, so we don't want the whole of this, well, not for the first part anyway. So if I have a window, okay, so I'm going to copy this twice, and you'll see why in a minute. I will be blurring some of this out in the video though. And then here you want the actual key, and the first field I think is your bucket, so PHP tube 99 in my case. Now we can take off the 001, and we can take off the zeros and anything else on the end. So that's the information you want, along with this ID, and then whatever your key is. So if I go back in here, you can see I've got this configured. For now we'll just use the direct link, and I'm going to save that. And then here is the moment of truth. So just give this a few seconds, and that confirms that it is indeed running, because it has uploaded this file. So that's how easy it is to configure this You will though want to also look at the customizer. What's customizer advanced? So this one here. So you'd switch that on, and then you need to go into the parameters, and if you're going to use the CDN, and this is a CDN to use with Backblaze, which is a little bit different to the CDN if you want to use it just for your videos when you don't have Backblaze. So that will be covered more in another video, and you would just put in the information in here, like as an example. I think I've got one set up, something like this. And then I have to change that setting to use the CDN as well. You can also change it. Let me just show you in here. So if I go in admin panel, and then settings, and then in here S3 B2 FTP settings. So you can see there's information in here, and you can just switch this on and off as required. But the place for the link is where I just showed you. So hopefully that helps you, and I'll see you in another video soon. Thanks and bye for now.